Hi, this is 5 minutes Cosmo educational video. Topic will be on keyring. Keyring is where accounts are stored. Here's an account will look like. It stores your crypto asset and it can help you search transaction. Two types of account, single account and multi-sig account. Multi-sig account is created from two or more single account. A point I want to be clear about is the difference between address and account. So an address can be the same for both types. However, for account, each of this one has vastly different functionalities. Okay, let's move on. Keyring backend storage exact location is determined by keyring backend and home flag. I will go into detail later in the video. About basic commands. Let me open up CLI. Please tap in helps all the time. It will provide you with a bunch of information. The four one that I will cover is the add. So it adds a new account. Please remember to record your mnemonic all the time. I will show you what will happen if you do not record your mnemonic. Let's delete that. Please delete that for me. And I will now recover test key. Imagine that the test key contains about $10,000 worth of atom. And now you forget your mnemonic, you cannot recover it. You have lost access to your test key account forever. That will happen if you do not record your mnemonic. And voila, it's the same one. Okay. In many cases, you often find yourself drowned in a bunch of keys that you added earlier into keyring, like 20 accounts, 30 accounts, bunch. So this is where maybe these key lists show up. It can help you go through what accounts that you have added. Also, another very important command is the show. This one is extremely useful, and you will see me use it a lot more often in the rest of the series. Two main ones that I often use is to show the address and to show the public key. Voila. Let's move on to advanced section. I will show you what different in keyring backend and home can look like. So I hope that you remember keys list. Mentioned earlier, keyring backend storage exact location is determined by keyring backend and home. It means that with different keyring backend, it can list different address. Let's see that. This one is for keyring backend test and home of .baby node 1 mentioned earlier. .baby is where all configuration and data of a node is stored. Let me show you. Node 1 keyring test. This is where keyring is stored for node 1. Node 2 keyring test. This is where keyring is stored for node 2. Okay, and this one is for keyring backend test, and home baby is node 1, node 0. Name node 0, address baby 1 AGR. Okay, let's check what the difference in home flag can look like. As you can see, it is now a different address. Baby 1 CR9 and baby 1 AGR. So I have set up like 3 nodes prior to the video, and you can see it stores different keys. And also here's what the different in keyring backend will look like. And this one is test and this one is OS. OS is like the overall OS of my Linux, so it show all keys stored in Linux. As you can see, different. Also it's the same home, but different in keyring backend. And another part is HD path and coil tab. As you can see here, a coil tab and dish pad. These two are super important in determining how keys will be generated. But I will leave it to you for self-exploration. I will put in a link to help you. And thanks for listening, and remember to follow for more educational content.